The hydraulic press receives a signal to open the oil valve. Start operating after the oil cylinder is filled with hydraulic oil. Each action can only be performed one by one. Delay of 300 to 500 milliseconds per action. 6 actions, swinging the frame left and right, opening and closing the mold, inserting and lifting the pin. Each delay is 400 milliseconds, for a total delay of 2.4 seconds. Every pulse is accompanied by vibration. The large vibration of the mold head affects the stability of the material pipe. Damaged or aged seals of hydraulic rods can also cause oil leakage, resulting in oil stains everywhere. The electric motor accelerates its speed by increasing the current, and there is no compensation time. Each action can be performed simultaneously with short cycle time. Displacement sensor ensures the carriage more stable with soft start and soft stop, improving the lifespan of the carriage frame. Motor-driven platform and die head have low vibration and high stability of the material tube. By adjusting the blowing pan through the motor, the accuracy reaches 0.1, and the bottle mouth is precisely calibrated. No hydraulic oil pollution and machine cleaning, which reduce worker cleaning costs.